Today we are going to read another chapter on an indoor garden. Okay, what do you mean by indoor? Indoor means inside. You can plant a small plant, a beautiful plant for your house to look beautiful and get fresh air. So, some people do have money plant inside their homes. And why these small plants are inside the homes? It makes the house beautiful, as well as you get fresh air, very pure air you get from the small plants. Yes, so many of us have indoor garden inside our house also, right? Now the title is making a terrarium. Now, what do you mean by terrarium? Terrarium is a glass or a transparent container in which plants are grown. Okay? Now, there's a question over here. What else can be kept in the glass container inside the house? What do you call the container in which pet fish are kept? Can you think about it? It is an aquarium, right? That pot where the fish are kept, that container is called aquarium. Now let's see what it has got to say, making a terrarium. Yeah, first we'll read out the first paragraph. Everybody likes to be surrounded by plants and flowers. So everybody likes to be in and around. Surrounded means to be around, to be all around by plants and flowers. You know, flowers gives us a good smell, right? And fresh air. Yes, plants, small plants, big trees. Yes, there is a difference. Plants, small plants, you can have money plant over there. Tulsi you have. Yes, and the same thing, if the trees, we have mango trees around you and guava tree, right out, it is planted outside the house. Okay, these are the big trees. Okay, so everybody likes to be surrounded by plants and flowers. Some plants need very little water, sunlight and soil and can be grown indoors. Indoors means growing inside the house. Such plants can be grown in a terrarium. Yes, to make your living room or bedroom or your kitchen beautiful, you tend to grow these money plant inside the house. Such plants can be grown in a terrarium. A terrarium is a small, now what is a terrarium? A terrarium is a small indoor garden that can be grown in the glass jar. Okay, clear smooth glass offers the best view of the plant inside. There is an easy way to make a terrarium. Now the next paragraph is going to explain us what are the things you need and how to plant a small terrarium. Okay, so can you see over there small dots? So these are the things, this means that you need to be ready with, before planting a small plant in your home, you need these all things. So it is very necessary to sequence the sequence your, you need to plan over whatever things you require to plant it. Okay, so what things you need a large clear jar. Yes, then you need a charcoal and pebbles. Yes, and then for charcoal and pebbles you need even the stones for decorating. Then you need colorful stones for decorating also. Then soil for plants. Soil means you need khad also, you need fertilizer for the plant, you need a proper placing of the plant. So bright green moss also you require. What do you mean by moss over here? Let's see what it is written down. Moss is a small green plant that grows in a groups in damp places. Okay, so that because it absorbs all the water and keeps it little wetty. Okay, so so that you do that the plant doesn't require more water. Yes, so it keeps in storage of water, it holds the water, and then whenever the plant requires, so it can get the water from it. Then whatever else you require, two or more plants, choose a short plant, a small funnel also. Why small funnel? We'll find out why small funnel is required over here. Now what to do? Now here is the instruction how to plant it, how to plant a terrarium. Fill the jar with the layers of charcoal and pebbles. This will keep the soil from getting too damp. Now understood the why the soil is to keep the soil from getting too damp. Damp means sticky, right? So okay, so fill the jar with a layer of charcoal and pebbles. Pebbles, why? It looks very attractive. Why pebbles? Colorful pebbles, stones, yes, we get in the market also. A very so to make it very, very wonderful, beautiful. Because this is a glass jar where we are going to plant, so it from outside that jar looks very attractive. So next what you are going to do is add a layer of soil. Then you put a layer of soil, make holes in the soil about 1 inch apart. So you need to keep a little space so that the plant is able to breathe. Yes, place the plant in the soil. Now you need to place in those holes you need to place the plant in the soil. Gently tap the soil down over the roots in the plants. So you need to tap it so that it stands still. Then place the moss and colorful stones around the plants. The moss stops the water from evaporating quickly, and the stones make the terrarium beautiful. So remember I told you in the beginning, the stones make the terrarium beautiful. It really makes it attractive. Water the plant with the help of small funnel. Small funnel, why? Because so that it doesn't spill outside and make your terrarium ugly. So you need to have that funnel, and it goes right into the plant itself. Water only when the soil feels dry. Okay, place the terrarium in a well lit area, but not in direct sunlight. You can keep it in the room or gift this pretty garden to a friend.